Hello, today I want to construct a sheet metal cassette in ATHENA. So the first thing I want to do here is to open up the sheet processing module. On the left side we see the preview section with several buttons. On the right side we have the operating section where we will work from left to right through the single tabs. But at first we will define the characteristics of the sheet itself down here. In addition to an homogeneous metal sheet, we have the possibility to use a composite panel too. But we will use a simple aluminium sheet here. Close the properties dialog and go to start with the designing of the cassette. The first step can be taking an outline for the primary surface from the viewport. Then go to the Fold tab and add some edges to the primary surface, adjust them and add them on all sides and go to the next steps. But on this point I will go back and reset the design to show you another way how you can start the designing process by using two sections. At first I will take the horizontal section here from the viewport. To get it I have to go through three steps. The first one will be I have to specify the elevation side. The second will be specify the primary surface. And the third one is to specify the left side of the section. And now we can go to the vertical section. The third step will be here to show the bottom side. So we have created our basic geometry here, which we can adjust a little bit in the Fold tab. But at first I have to navigate to the right edge. I just want to change the side angles of this fold. And now we are ready and can go to the next step and define our corner joints right. I navigate to the required position. Basically I want here that my top and bottom folds covers the side folds. So on this corner it means that the blue arrow number 2 covers the red arrow number 1. Also I want a short distance of 1 mm to the covering fold. If we are ready on this corner we can transfer counterclockwise our adjustments to the next corner by using the mirror button. And do the same procedure on the next corners too. I want also to adjust the two other folds here, so I use an orthogonal surface joint and a distance of 2 mm. Transfer the distance to the other side and go to the next fold. On the next corner we just have to assign the orthogonal surface joint. Now we are ready here with the joints and can go to the next step, to the notch processings, which we can assign here to prevent deformations. We can use the arrow buttons again to navigate to the right point. Here I will use the circular processing. If needed I can go deeper and adjust the processing here. But I just go and assign the same processing on all sides. So we are ready for the next step, which we will see in the next part of the video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give us a thumb up. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And for more information about ATHENA, please click the link below.